Welcome to a quick unboxing of a newest trainer that's come out. Lucky to get this size in this trainer. It was almost sold out. It's a Reebok, and on the side here you got classic leather 1983 vintage, brand new trainer, but they've brought out an old trainer, redone it. And I don't know if it's limited or anything else, but I thought I'd get a pair, as I like older stuff, you know, like sort of 80s, 90s trainers, or sneakers as the US call them. So I'm gonna unbox. I haven't took these out as yet, so this is a first look for me as well. So the Reebok in the UK was an extremely very popular brand before people like Nike and the rest and Adidas took over. Reebok was probably the biggest name there was. So we got Reebok classic leather 1983 vintage, and here's the sneaker. I thought you can get it in just a sort of a plain with this, maybe like a black stripes, but you know, I like a little splash of colour, and these are the colours of Reebok, as you can see. I like it, you know, go nice with a pair of blue jeans, which I'll show later on. So have a look over. You've got some air holes at the front. The leather feels nice and supple. Feels different, decent quality, and it's the same all over. I don't know if this bit is. Certainly the toe, everything sort of crumbles a little bit. You can see that's nice. I like the look of that. Everything is pretty much the same sort of leather all around. Reebok on the back. Get the idea. And of course you got tread. Looks pretty decent to me. So you got toe there, and the athlete shoe. From a tradition, pardon me, of 100 years, these handmade athletic shoes, I'll get my words out. Yeah, athletic shoes meet the demand for quality and performance required by today's athletes. So that's it. Yeah, everything feels pretty good. So that was the first pair, well, first side of it, and that's what they look like together. Definitely a classic profile, the sort of like slanted down pointy tip. That was a big thing in the sort of 80s, early 90s. Later on, you also started rising up a bit and get a bit thicker at the top here with the tongue. But that's how the runners used to look. I love anything sort of, it looks sort of 90s, then I'm into it. And these look pretty darn good. Leather seems to be decent. I think there was £70, something like that. Yeah, decent, and it's a nice bit of padding, not a loads around the heel, but pretty good. It seems okay, yeah, in plush. Yeah, this feels pretty hard, but there's a bit of cushion in the heel at least, so it feels like it's going to be somewhat comfortable. Not my most comfortable shoes, I would have thought, but they're going to be decent. And you know, casual summertime blue jeans sort of trainers, sneakers. So let's have a look on feet.